How Mr. Baker dealt with heat pump issues. Mr. Baker faced challenges with his new heat pump, so he sought professional help, but encountered unexpected costs and delays. A few months later, during the coldest days of the year, Mr. Baker's heat pump failed. Coordinating with an authorized technician and ordering a vital component from abroad took 3 frustrating weeks. Our heat pumps come with a built-in remote control module, eliminating service costs for adjustments. We maintain spare parts in stock and have a team of skilled professionals ready to address any problems swiftly. Mr. Baker realized the importance of choosing a reliable heat pump provider when making a significant investment. For a quality, cost-effective heat pump without hidden expenses, check out our webpage. Don't wait. Reach out to us now.